Hello, my name is Innocent Manyenge and welcome to Top Gear. Hello, my name is Innocent Manyenge and welcome to Fifth Gear. Hello and welcome to Straight Pipes. What?
No.
Straight Pipes is a good name for a program.
You can't call a Zimbabwean show Straight Pipes. We don't do that.
So what would you call it?
Of course, simple. You call it the Mugaris show. In fact, you call it Mugaris.
Mugaris?
Yeah,
What's that?
that's the street lingo name for cars. And this is a Zimbabwean show about,
About cars.
so it's Mugaris.
Mugaris.
So you would rather be saying hello and welcome
to Mugaris. A Zimbabwean car show that gives you all the cars that are suited for the Zimbabwean environment. Cars that are suited for our roads.
And reviewed in the eyes of the ordinary Zimbabwean. None of those international stuff where they talk about different types of roads and different types of conditions. The weather is way, way different. Do we need snow tires in Zim?
We don't need snow tires in Zim. This car comes with 18-inch wheels.
We want a car that you can take to Mutora Shanga.
A car that you can drive all the way to Victoria Falls.
Nothing isn't that bad.
Mugaris premieres this Saturday at 18:30 hours on ZBC.